Yeah, if we got 12 cars,
Here we go.
if we have 12 cars on just on 2 engines.
Don't mind. Yeah, I kind of put like 13.
That's all right.
This engine was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
It's all right.
7, 8,
Remember we
9,
had-
10, 11, 12.
Remember we had 20 cars going last night on that one engine before he fell.
It was like 12 hours after we moved that.
That's why they call hang gliding a blood sport.
Yeah. And, I mean, I've been to the Royal Gorge. I looked down, I got on the tram that goes down the side and to the track level. I'm just going like, can we get out? And, you know, I'm thinking,
Becky, we could probably lift the screen up if you wanted it without the hail screen.
I think so, okay.
How you pull.